getting pretty stripped. Got the hood off, and pretty much got all the bolts. The front end's pretty loose. It'll pretty much lift off. I gotta get the hood bolts off. Once I get the hood bolts off, that's connected to the fender, it'll be completely free, and we'll lift the front end up, off, and then start taking care of stuff, and then we'll put the hood back on it once everything's loose, just until we move it so that nothing gets in the engine bay, which I don't care. Not using the engine anyway. Got the cab mounts all done. Got everything cut off in here to just come off. Did it in a short amount of time. Just right now, like I said, I'm not using any of this stuff, so it was just cutting it all up so we can just lift the body up. We do this a lot, so it's not that big of an issue. But yeah, in an hour's time, got a bunch of this stuff off, and I'll pretty much be done in about another 20 minutes. I gotta get all those bolts off. Once I take those bolts off, everything will be loose, and we'll just leave it that way until it's time to actually pull the front end off, pull the cab off, put it on the body cart, and I'll start taking care of plugging up all the firewall.